Hello everyone, with CMAT exam coming literally in the last बस 2 दिन में CMAT exam है. I wanted to help out as much as possible and that is why we are making another video. मैं और बहुत सारे GK के questions लाया हूँ and these are all questions which are properly suited to जैसे kind of question CMAT पूछती है उसी हिसाब से ये है. I would really request you guys to please like the video and in fact ये part 1 है. Part 2 और part 3 के PDFs में सीधा हमारे ऐप पे डाउनलोड पे डाल दूंगा if this video gets around 350 likes. तो 350 प्लस अगर likes गए, now this is something that I ask from you guys. Like the video so that you'll get more information, you'll get more PDFs for GK. Let's keep it that way, it'll be fun for both of us. चलो, let's start. So yes, CMAT 2025, like this will be used for later years also. CMAT last minute GK guide. Please make sure that you guys are looking at the video very properly. मैंने यहाँ पे already लिखा है 350 likes for part 2 and part 3 videos on the app. I guarantee I'll upload it. You give me those likes. चलो, let's start. एक minute, just to make it a little better. Yeah. When the first 5-year plan of India started, the first 5-year plan of India was started in 1951. बाद में the Secretariat of SARC, South Africa, Asia, Russia and China. तो साउथ अफ्रीका, so SARC मैं भूल गया that which are the exact countries, that South Africa, Asia, Russia and China, but the Secretariat is at Kathmandu. Okay. Which state has the largest coastline in India? It is गुजरात. गुजरात का वो जो कर्व आता है ना, कर्व की वजह से गुजरात की कोस्टलाइन सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी है. Which is funny because Gujarat also has the second biggest desert of India. So yeah, which is the best quality of coal? Anthracite. That coal is also something that India is known to be the biggest exporter of. Brahmaputra rises in Tibet, not a part of India. Brahmaputra China से आता है. Tibet is now a part of China. Kanchenjunga is situated in. Kanchenjunga is the third highest peak in the world. It is after Mount Everest. Obviously जो पहले इंडिया में था अब चाइना में है. K2 जो पहले इंडिया में था अब पाकिस्तान में है. And now there is Kanchenjunga. So we're left with the third highest peak. And K2 by the way has a very nice view. If you go to Sikkim or if you go to India, Kashmir, Kashmir में you can see there is a particular viewpoint जहाँ से first जो सन रे आती है वो वहीं पे आती है एंड इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सीन. सुबह 4:30 बजे वो जाना पड़ता है. द लाइट ईयर इज द यूनिट ऑफ इट्स लाइट ईयर इज अ यूनिट ऑफ डिस्टेंस. इट इज इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय लाइट इन 1 year. Okay. The deepest mine in the world is in Africa. The largest producer of paper is Kerala. बाद में the oldest oil refinery of India is in Digboy, Assam. But the biggest oil refinery is the Reliance refinery. गुजरात में है वो. I guess in Jamnagar. I'm not sure. But गुजरात में है Reliance की refinery. Okay. It is also probably the highest output given refinery in the world. So be very careful about it. They have made a huge investment in it and they are earning a lot from it. The scientific study of soil is called pedology. Okay. The world's largest island is Greenland. Greenland by definition is an island. ठीक है. The largest bone in the human body is the femur, मतलब अपने thigh bone. The rarest blood group is AB negative. Blood groups were discovered by Landsteiner. Also, there is a medical equipment name behind him. I forgot the name of the medical equipment. The important sugar in honey is fructose. 3 types of mainly sugar होते हैं, ग्लूकोज, सुक्रोज एंड फ्रक्टोज. गैलेक्टोज और वो सब बाद में इनका कॉम्बिनेशन सबसे बनता है. ओके. The disease caused by protein deficiency in children is kwashiorkor. Okay. The disease caused due to the lack of vitamin C is scurvy. क्वाशियोरकोर की वजह से तुम्हारे लेग्स होते हैं वो बो लेग्स बन जाते हैं, मतलब जो नीज के नीचे के लेग्स आर बो लेग्स बिकॉज ऑफ क्वाशियोरकोर. Who discovered smallpox vaccine? It was Edward Jenner. Which test is used to detect AIDS? It is ELISA. ELISA. This was not used previously. अभी ELISA use करते हैं. Who discovered cell? It was Robert Hooke. The number of chromosomes in the human gene is 46. When you have one extra, it causes chromosomal errors like a Down syndrome is a chromosomal error when you have 47 chromosomes. Okay. The plants of which flower only once. Plants which flower only once in a lifetime are monocarpic plants. One of the examples is Rafflesia. There is also another plant which is also the plant which gives the flower the least. Uska flower is in a huge कोन फॉर्मेट, डेजर्ट में उगता है. आई फॉरगॉट द नेम ऑफ इट. यू कैन फाइंड इट ऑन गूगल वेरी इजीली. इट इज अराउंड, मतलब वो द फ्लावर कम्स आफ्टर 45 or 60 years. इतना लेट उसको फ्लावर आता है. Who discovered the nucleus of a cell? It was Robert Brown. Don't get confused. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. The outermost layer of skin is epidermis. And the cells there are called epithelial cells. Kidney stones नहीं है, वो kidney stones है. They are made of calcium oxalate. The tiniest bone in the human bone. It's the tiniest bone in the tiniest bone in the human. अच्छा, it's the tiniest bone in the human body is the fibula. वो कान में होता है. Okay. Cancellous bone is also called a spongy bone. The number of fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution are six. 6 fundamental rights है. Right to freedom, right to speech. ये बहुत सब fundamental rights है अपने. The Sharda Act is related to child marriage. Indian Planning Commission was constituted in 1950. Financial emergency is related to which article? It is the article 360. इस पे मूवी भी बना था, अभी just बना है. Very nice movie. Also you'll learn a lot of GK from there also. Also about history you'll learn a lot from there. The first Governor General of India. इस पे बहुत बड़ा डिबेट है. The first Governor General of India was Lord Mountbatten. But the first Governor General who was Indian was the other one, was Mr. Narasimha Rao. ओके, सो प्लीज बी वेरी केयरफुल. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है उस पर डिपेंड करता है. इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स वर थिंकिंग कि अरे सर ये नहीं है वो है. फर्स्ट इंडियन गवर्नर जनरल वाज पीपी नरसिम्हा राव एंड द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया वाज लॉर्ड माउंटबैटन. ऑल्सो ही वाज फर्स्ट कॉल्ड द वाइसरॉय. तो ही वाज एक्चुअली अ वाइसरॉय बट उसी पोस्ट का नाम चेंज करके गवर्नर जनरल कर दिया. द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर इंडियन पर्सन इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद गवर्नर जनरल बने वो नरसिम्हा राव थे सर. Yeah. Which article has given special status to Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir? Article 370. इस पे भी मूवी बना है. Who is the first Lok Sabha speaker? It is Mavalankar. G.V. Mavalankar. Who designed the Indian national flag? It was Pengali Venkaiah. That's the way that you pronounce the name. How many students are? Sorry, how many schedules? Sorry. How many schedules are contained in the Constitution of India? There are 12 schedules constituted in the Constitution of India. Who is the first and the last Indian Governor General of India? It was C. Rajgopalachari. Indian Governor General. Okay, ठीक है. मे भी शायद मैंने उधर गलत जवाब दिया लॉर्ड माउंटबैटन के साथ. जस्ट एक बार क्रॉस चेक कर लेना ये वाले एक पॉइंट को, बाकी सारे के सारे सही है. The bill that cannot be originated in the Rajya Sabha is a money bill. Money bill हमेशा लोकसभा में ओरिजिनेट होता है. The number of spokes in the Indian national flag is 24. 24 वो लाइन्स होती है. व्हील में जो स्पोक्स है ना, लाइन्स, उसे स्पोक्स बोलते हैं. The term of financial commission is 5 years. The Indian Financial Commission sits for 5 years. Which country has an underwritten constitution? It's the UK. It's underwritten. I forgot who it is underwritten by. I guess it's underwritten by the Queen, I guess. What is the time limit of the national anthem? It's 52 seconds. स्कूल में कभी इतने ध्यान नहीं दिया इस पे, बट इफ यू रियलाइज जो हम थिएटर्स में जो देखते हैं इंडियन नेशनल एंथम वो 52 सेकेंड्स का होता है. ओके, द वन दैट इज स्टैंडर्ड यूज्ड. Who wrote the national song of India? It was Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National song of India is not Jana Gana Mana. It's the national anthem. The national song of India. Hey, let's make it a trivia. Put it down in the comments. What is the national song? Let's see how many people actually know it. Who is the first ICS of India? It is Satyendranath Tagore. I don't know if he's a relative of Mr. Rabindranath Tagore. Sir Rabindranath Tagore. Yeah. Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th of December. Last video में भी था. You guys should know this. The taxes, which tax belongs to the central government? The custom duty, excise duty and income tax. ये तीनों central government को जाता है. बाकी सब state government को जाता है. So be very careful. The first meeting of the Constitutional Assembly and the last meeting of Constitutional Assembly, it was 1946 9th December and 24th January 1950. Okay. When was the Rowlatt Act passed? Rowlatt Act, it was a lot of conjecture around this act. जब वो पास हुआ था तभी भी अब तक बहुत सारे लोग इसके साथ कंफ्यूज्ड है, मतलब होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए. It was passed in 1919. प्री इंडिपेंडेंस का एक्ट है. The Panchasheel Pact was signed in 1954. How many languages are officially recognized in India? There are 22 languages officially recognized in India. There is no national language in India. Hindi is not our national language. There are only official languages. Official language of India are two, and that is English and Hindi. So be very careful. There is no national language of India. Who appoints the chairman of UPSC? The president. Union Public Service Commission is UPSC. जो एग्जाम देते हैं ना लोग. The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. At present there are 245 people. The maximum strength is 250. It can stretch up to 250. At present 245. The first general election was held in 1951. In which state was the Panchayati Raj first? वो first नहीं है, first है. First introduced. It was introduced in Rajasthan. Okay. Who fixes the poverty line? The poverty line is fixed by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog deals with what? Poverty किससे related क्या करना चाहिए? How should we help the poor people? वो नीति आयोग का काम है. SARC was formed in 1985. Who was the first viceroy of India? Lord Canning. This is pre-independence. He was a Britisher. So please be very careful. Who is the maximum age? What is the maximum age required to become the vice president of India? Sorry, it is minimum है, maximum नहीं है. I'm very sorry. What is the minimum age required to become the vice president of India? It is 35. 35 के नीचे तुम vice president नहीं बन सकते. Who is known as the frontier Gandhi? Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Okay. When was the first 5-year plan launched in India? It was 1951. That is the first 5-year plan launched in India. 1st April. Decibel is a unit of sound. You should also know what are the few common values of decibels. Like इस clock कितने में बजती है, कितने decibels तक हम सुन सकते हैं, ये सब तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. Diopter is the unit of power of lens. ये जो आंख की होती है ना, that is चश्मे का, उसका जो यूनिट्स होते हैं वो हम पावर बोलते हैं ना, कि मेरे 4.5 नंबर है. Those are 4.5 diopters. Okay. It is basically calculating the curvature of the glass and how well it refracts the light. Which glass is filled in the light bulb? It's argon. Yes, it's argon. First sound film in India was Alam Ara. I saw it. It's very boring. मतलब हमें नहीं पसंद आएगा. I saw part of it. पूरा नहीं देखा. Which country touches the longest boundary with India? It has to be Bangladesh. Bangladesh की पूरा country का पूरा border हम ही करते हैं cover. So that yes, it's Bangladesh. The father of economics is Adam Smith. Which Veda contains the Gayatri Mantra? It has to be Rig Veda. Yes, it's Rig Veda. Satyameva Jayate is taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Vande Mataram is taken from Anandmat. Okay. Who wrote the Panchatantra? Panchatantra, these are animal tales. ये सब विष्णु शर्मा ने लिखी है. These are shown to, हम सब ने almost बचपन में पंचतंत्र at least देखा ही होगा. Where did Chandragupta Maurya died? He died in Shravanbelagaon. Sorry. The founder of Arya Samaj. It's Bankim Chandra. नहीं, sorry. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. I thought it's Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. उन्होंने दूसरा एक समाज निकाला था. There is another समाज जो उन्होंने निकाला है. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. I think. Yeah, just confirm once. I am not sure. But yeah, इसका आंसर स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती है. The founder of Ramakrishna Mission is Swami Vivekanand. One of my favorite people in history is Mr. Swami Vivekanand. Very, very smart person. Also very well respected abroad also. The founder of Abhinav Bharat Society is Vinayak Damodar Sarvarkar. The founder of Brahma Samaj is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states. This is a mistake. 5 states नहीं, 8 states है. Sorry about this. First state formed on the basis of language. It's Andhra Pradesh. The father of Indian space program is Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. He's also one of the founding fathers of ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. So yes. Who discovered India? Vasco da Gama in 1498. I really hate that they say that they discovered India. I really hate it. But yeah, it's just. ये फैक्ट ब्रिटिशर्स ने हम पे थोपा है. Where is ISRO located? It's in Bangalore. Everybody should know, and most of the launches that we have happened from Sriharikota. Who estimated the national income for the first time in India? It was Dadabhai Navroji. Oh, spelling wrong, hai, it's Navroji. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? It has to be Bangalore. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India is Hiralal J. Kanya. Okay? Now, the first woman Prime Minister of India होना चाहिए. Sorry, सिरिमा वो नहीं, sorry, of the world. Sorry, it's not of India. It's of the world. Sorry, it's Sirimao Bandra. I'm sorry, Bandara Naike. I'm really sorry. I can't pronounce that well. The first woman governor of India is Sarojini Naidu. Hmm? The first chief minister of India was Suchita Kripalani. Highest waterfall in India, Jog Fall. I forgot where it is. अरे रे, दूसरा आंसर आ गया. Which gas is found in gobar gas? It's methane. Which gas is filled in airplane tires? Airplane tires में helium डालते हैं. ठीक है. The first president of Indian National Congress was W.C. Banerjee. The first woman president of the Indian National Congress was Annie Besant. Annie Besant also is an award that is given. I forgot what it is for. The International Court of Justice is in The Hague, Netherlands. The pH value of pure water is 7. To give you an idea, acidic substances have lower pH, basic substances have high pH. pH 0 से लेके 14 तक जाता है. The number of groups in the periodic table, there are 18 groups in the periodic table. Groups are जो columns होते हैं ना, उनको groups बोलते हैं. The largest producer of mica is India. ससुराल भी ना, क्योंकि हम ही तो बुलाते हैं माइका ससुराल. सॉरी, sorry. The low, the lowest layer in the atmosphere is the troposphere. The first railway was started when? It was started. अच्छा, मैं बोलने वाला तो मुंबई टू थाने, but it was started April 1853, मुंबई से थाने तक. Okay. The highest waterfall in India is Jog Fall. The first battle of Panipat was fought in 1526, and the second battle was fought in 1556. The Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764. ह्यूमन राइट्स डे, आई गेस दिस इज रिपीटेड, सेम वीडियो में आया है ये वापस या फिर पहले की वीडियो में था. दैट इज 10th December. एड्स डे इज द 1st of December. ओजोन डे is celebrated on 16th September. The Labor Day is celebrated on 1st May. इट इज कॉल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट नेम्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया. जैसे महाराष्ट्र में इसे महाराष्ट्र दिवस भी बोलते हैं. तो जस्ट फिगर आउट दैट उसके और कौन से नाम है, वो जान लो तो अच्छा है. सीमैट एग्जाम है महाराष्ट्र के लिए है, तो आई सजेस्ट दैट, आई गेस महाराष्ट्र डे जानना इनफ हो जाएगा. द लॉन्गेस्ट डे इज कॉल्ड द 21st June. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द समर सोल्स्टिस. वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन डे इज ऑन 11th of July. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was in 1946. मुझे डेट नहीं आता, but 1946 पता था. 9th December 1946, and the last one was in 1950. That is 24th January. The national flag of India was adopted on 22nd July 1947. Okay. The language in which Buddha preached is Pali. Very less spoken now. अब बहुत लोग पाली बोलते नहीं. डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इज मैक्सिमम एट 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस. उसके बाद डेंसिटी कम, उसके बाद पानी एक्सपांड होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द एनोमलस बिहेवियर ऑफ वाटर. प्लीज रीड अप अबाउट इट. ओके, एंड आई गेस वाटर इज द ओनली लिक्विड दैट डज इट. बाकी सारे लिक्विड्स एक्सपांड नहीं होते, दे ऑल जस्ट कंप्रेस. हु गेव द आइडिया टू हैव द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया? हेमन रॉय. नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी वाज फाउंडेड बाय कुमार गुप्ता. Washing soda is sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3. Okay. Delhi became the capital of India in 1911. At that time, it was called Indraprasth. Which metal is used for the generation of nuclear power? It is uranium. वो metal नहीं है. It is basically an element. But which metal is used in the न्यूक्लियर पावर जो मशीन होता है उसमें वी यूज कार्बन रॉड्स. कार्बन रॉड्स आर यूज टू कंट्रोल द फिशन रिएक्शन. ओके. अर्थ ट्विन इज Venus, ऐसा बोलते हैं. Which gland is both exocrine and endocrine? That's pancreas. Which soil is the best suited for cotton? It's black soil. Rigar, also known as black soil. Regur or Rigar. Rigar, I guess. Regur soil. Regur soil. Black soil बोलो, सबको समझता है. The largest saltwater lake in the world is Lake Superior. Who discovered the principle of electromagnetic induction? It was Michael Faraday. This is also Faraday's law. I don't know how many of you know this. ऐसा बहुत टॉर्चर करके सिखाया था. दैट इज द ओनली थिंग आई रिमेम्बर अबाउट दिस. वैसे यो जैसा लगता है वो. हाँ. The first Indian woman to scale the Mount Everest was Bachendri Pal. She was not the first woman to scale the Mount Everest. वो अलग है. The first Indian was Bachendri Pal. Also, the first person to climb Mount Everest without any kind of oxygen, without any artificial oxygen, पूरे खुद से चढ़े थे. That was a Nepali person. I forgot the name of the person. Figure out the name. Who pioneered the Khilafat movement? Ali brothers. Leading producer of uranium is Canada. Pretty funny because they say that उनके पास nuclear weapons भी नहीं है. I doubt. Element which is the highest conductor of electricity is silver. Why is silver not used in the home? Copper use करते हैं. Copper is the second best conductor of electricity. Silver costly बहुत ज़्यादा है इसीलिए. Okay. The father of Indian Constitution is Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. World's largest desert is the Sahara Desert. अफ्रीका में है. The laws of heredity, G.L. Mendel. Okay. I don't know how many of you know, but it follows the ABC wala model where there are three recessives, three superior. Dominant genes and recessive genes का combination से कोई भी तुम्हारा characteristic show होता है नहीं show होता है. It's a very nice biological concept that you should know. The best way to understand it is how people's skin is made. Okay. मतलब स्किन का कलर. इट इज बेस्ड ऑन 3 different chromosomes. Who is also known as Deshbandhu? It's Chittaranjan Das. Geet Govind is the famous creation of Jaidev. Panchayati Raj comes under state list. When did the War of American Independence take place? It took place in 1776. The largest and the deepest ocean in the world is the Pacific Ocean. The land of white elephants is Thailand. The land of morning sun, Japan. सबको बताना चाहिए. The land of midnight sun is Norway. लैंड ऑफ 4 बजे भी रख दो, लैंड ऑफ 5 बजे भी रख दो, हर चीज के लिए लैंड बनना है किसी को. The land of 1,000 lakes is called Finland. Okay. Dronacharya award is given to the coach. It is given to mostly coaches in the sport arena. Okay. Arjuna award given to the field of games and sports. The highest civilian award is Bharat Ratna. Gyanpith award is given in the field of literature. The Dada Saheb award is given in the field of movies and named after Dr. Dada Saheb Phalke. The dwarf planet is Pluto. The tropical cyclone in the China Sea is called the typhoon. Okay. Most toxic gas is carbon monoxide. Very dangerous because you will not even smell it. It is invisible. You will have no idea. By the time you realize that तुम्हें चक्कर आ रहे हैं, it's already too late because your lungs are affected very very badly. So it is extremely bad to inhale carbon monoxide. बॉम्बे में बहुत ज्यादा है and दिल्ली में भी. Natural element with the highest melting point is tungsten. That is why it is used in light bulbs. And it also has one of the highest resistances. Hardest substance in the human body is the enamel, that is tooth. Dada Saheb award is given in cinema. Named after Dr. Dada Saheb Phalke. You should also know that his son, sorry, his grandson, Kiran Falke, Mr. Kiran Falke, he just passed away. And also a personal thing. Many of you might know that I learned the guitar. I learned the guitar with the great granddaughter of Dada Saib Falke. So yeah, Girija Marathe. You should see her. She's amazing. Yeah. And we're done. So guys, ये सारे questions cover हुए हैं. I hope that you guys like the video and click on the like video, and I'll definitely put up the part 2 and part 3 on our channel, on our app. App में तुम्हें कहाँ मिलेगा मैं एक बार दिखा देता हूँ. Okay. So you can see this is the Crack Evidence application. यहाँ पे if you go to the learn section, first of all I just want to show you the application. Upcoming lectures में तुम्हें जो बैच चालू है उनके भी lectures दिखने लगेंगे. You'll also see a lot of demo lectures. तुम्हें अगर जानना है Crack Evidence कैसे सिखाते हैं. If you go to the learn section, you'll also be able to see notes. यहाँ पे e-books हमने रखे हैं, but this is only for the students who are registered. Downloads में ये सारी चीजें weekly timetable ये सब फ्री है. मैं यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा डाल दूंगा. I'll put up the part 2 and part 3 का PDF here itself. एंड ऑल्सो आई सजेस्ट यू गाइज, अगर तुम सीमैट के लिए जेन्युइनली प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, देन तुम्हारे जो मॉक्स है, फुल मॉक यू शुड टेक सीमैट का एटलीस्ट द फर्स्ट मॉक विच इज द फ्री मॉक. कोई भी दे सकता है. जस्ट चेक वेयर यू स्टैंड, जस्ट सी हाउ मच यू नो अबाउट द सीमैट एग्जाम. स्ट्रैटेजी यहाँ से चेक कर लो. एंड अगर तुम सीईटी दे रहे हो, विच यू शुड बी टेकिंग इफ यू आर टेकिंग द सीमैट, देन सीमैट में यहाँ पे सीईटी में सारे फुल मॉक्स, वी हैव एडवांस मॉक्स एंड सब कुछ तो मिल जाएगा. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट द एनालिसिस दैट वी प्रोवाइड इज far different than anybody else. This is the only personalized analysis that you will get ever. So this is really a great thing. And अगर तुम्हें कुछ भी और चाहिए, you guys can contact us and we'll be there to help you out as much as we can. चलो, I hope you guys really like the video and I'll see you guys again. Best of luck for your CMAT exam.